Sobat Uhi.
Welcome to our English podcast.
My name is Tania Anita Ramadhani.
And I'm Jasmine Abelia Rabian.
Today we're gonna have small talk with our friends. Can you guess which she?
I love her so much. Can I spell her characteristic?
Yeah, sure.
She is such an independent girl, strong and so brilliant tau.
Wow, I know her so much. Let's invite her.
1, 2, 3. Welcome Rumaisha Atafunisa. Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Rumaisha Atafunisa and today I'm here to have a podcast with Tania and Abel. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Tania.
How are you today, Rumai?
I'm good and feel happy today. Why do you feel happy, Rumai? Because I have a podcast with you all. I'm so excited by the way.
So today, Rumai, we will ask you about yourself.
Rumai, you know gak sih, my most memorable moments in my life so far kan being part of the bilingual program nih. It makes me want to know deh, what's your most memorable moments in your life?
One of the most memorable moments in my life, maybe I would say when I became an MC in the one of bilingual program events. I never thought I would be an MC in my life because I had absolutely no skills in the field of public speaking before. And how about you, Tania?
The most memorable moment me is when I'm 5 years old, I did a concert in Jakarta and it's my first appearance.
That's so amazing, Tania.
Jadi, Sobat Muhik, tadi Abel tuh nanya, apa sih most memorable yang dia punya, dan dia pun menjawab, the most memorable moment dia adalah ketika pertama kali dia melakukan MC di saat bilingual event, dan dia tidak percaya bahwa dia bisa melakukan public speaking di depan banyak orang, dan dia merasa bahwa public speaking dia kurang bagus, padahal dia bisa melakukan itu. Dan Abel adalah ketika dia menjadi part of bilingual program. Dan aku, ketika aku berumur 5 tahun, aku melakukan konser di Jakarta, dan itu adalah pertunjukan pertama saya.
Guys, if I could go back in time and give advice to my younger self, I would say semoga kamu lebih rajin belajarnya dan jangan mudah ke distract. I'm curious about if you could go back in time and can give advice for yourself, what will it be, Rumai?
The thing that I want to say to my younger self is you have to focus more on education because in the past I put too much aside and didn't prioritize my education and keep praying to God for the best, and that's all. And how about you, Tania?
I would say keep learning and don't give up because learning is very important for your future.
Jadi guys, what Rumai and Tania said is so important loh, terutama Rumai because back then Rumai used to decide her priority and now she get it that was so important, terutama dalam ibadah yang merupakan kewajiban dan edukasi yang tidak kalah pentingnya. Dan untuk Tania ingin selalu belajar dan tidak mudah menyerah karena edukasi sangat penting untuk masa depannya. Oh ya guys, kan I've set goal for myself ya. The things I've set for myself is semoga aku bisa terus contribute positively and drawing with every opportunity. Rumai, still have a goal you have set for yourself that you're working towards?
There are so many efforts that I actually always try, but some of them are that I try to always think positively and keep remember God whenever and wherever I am. And how about you, Tania?
I'm working hard in academic because I want to be a doctor or dentist.
Oke, jadi tadi Abel nanya ke aku apa ada usaha yang sedang aku perjuangkan, dan sebenarnya banyak banget usaha yang sedang aku perjuangkan dan akan selalu aku perjuangkan. Tapi beberapa di antaranya adalah aku selalu berusaha untuk selalu berpikir positif dan mengingat Allah dimanapun dan kapanpun aku berada. Dan untuk Abel, tadi Abel bilang kalau Abel pengen banget berkontribusi untuk selalu mengambil kesempatan yang ada dan berkembang untuk menjadi lebih baik. Dan untuk Tania, tadi Tania bilang kalau dia lagi bekerja keras untuk akademiknya karena di masa depan dia ingin menjadi dokter. Dan semoga itu terwujud ya, Tania.
Amin.
So, Rumai, menurut aku ya, ada loh orang yang paling berdampak besar bagi aku, dan itu adalah kedua orang tua aku. Dan karena they always support me in every activities. And what about you, Rumai?
Same to you, Tania. I would say my parents, because without my parents, I couldn't do much for the best of my future, and maybe I cannot be here. My parents sacrificed too much for me, and I'm very grateful for that. And how about you, Abel?
True that, for me, my parents were the ones that really helps me to growing. And without them, maybe I can't be here. Jadi guys, tadi Tania nanya siapa sih yang paling berdampak dalam hidup kita, dan jawaban kita semua adalah parents. Because without them, mungkin kita nggak bisa berada di sini, dan kita tahu parents pasti selalu mengusahakan yang terbaik. Ngomongin tentang parents, guys, aku punya tahu someone that really inspired me lately. The someone that really inspired me lately is my mom. Because when I grow up, I really want to be an independent woman just like her. Rumai, do you have a book, movies, or someone that really inspired you lately?
I really love reading book, especially fictional book. But one of my favorite authors is Terralie. He inspired me through his language in creating stories, and I love the way he conveyed his ideas into a sentence. And one of my favorite book that he write is Hujan.
Okay.
And how about you, Tania?
Yes, I have. Her name is Ariana Grande, because her voice is very nice. I want to be a singer like her. Oh yeah, by the way, what about you? Do you have an idol, maybe artist, actor, or someone famous?
Pasti kita punya ya Rumai, karena kita kan fans dari bidang Korean pop. For me, I have Stray Kids as my favorite artist, even though there are many people yang mungkin kurang suka tentang lagu berisik mereka, tapi I found their loud music is so comfortable for me. Rumai, do you have your favorite artist?
Sama juga kayak Abel, karena aku K-popers juga, dan sebenarnya aku banyak suka grup K-pop, tapi satu aku bisa sebut itu aku suka banget sama NCT, dan aku udah ngefans banget sama NCT dari tahun 2022, jadi aku udah lama banget sih ngefans sama mereka.
So yeah, by the way, what's your bias in NCT?
My bias is Jaemin.
Oh my
gosh.
And what your bias in Stray Kids?
My best is Lee Felix.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh ya Rumai, kayaknya tadi kamu nyebutin title buku yang diterbitin Terralie itu Hujan ya? May I know what is Hujan talking about?
Hujan itu menceritakan tentang karakter Lail yang ketemu sama Esok, yang waktu itu juga mereka berdua itu korban bencana alam, dan mereka memulai hidup baru mereka dengan mengenal lebih dalam satu sama lain di posko bencana alam saat itu.
Wow, so interesting.
So, Sobat Muhik, jadi tadi Abel tuh nanya ke Rumai, ada nggak sih buku, movie, or person yang menginspirasi Rumai? Dan Rumai jawab, dia tuh punya buku yang berjudul Hujan, yang ditulis oleh Terralie, dan itu sangat menginspirasi Rumai. Dan yang menginspirasi Abel adalah ibunya, karena dia ingin menjadi independent woman seperti ibunya. Dan aku memiliki idol. Her name is Ariana Grande, karena suara dia sangat bagus sekali, dan aku ingin menjadi penyanyi seperti dia.
Oh ya guys, kalian pasti punya nggak sih dream country atau places to go? Aku punya tahu dream country. Can you guess the country is?
Maybe Korean because you're a K-popers.
True that, tapi aku akan mengesampingkan negara Korea dulu. Happy guessing
Okay,
game.
Malaysia, maybe?
No.
Or maybe New York.
My dream, tapi there still my dream country to go.
Please, what the initials?
Yeah, what the initial of the country?
The initial is M. M stands for Netherlands, because I really want to go to the Netherlands to see the beautiful view of tulips, and I want to try the traditional food. Rumai, do you have a dream country or places to go?
Of course, there are so many countries that I dream it of, but one of them are Saudi Arabia, because in there I can do my worship and I can see the beauty of Saudi Arabia. And about you, Tania?
Can you guess what's the
Oh my
country?
Melbourne.
No.
Maybe Singapore?
No. No.
Apa ya? Can you give me the initial, please?
Gue bisa jawab ya. The country is UK because I want to college in there.
That's so amazing.
Yes.
Oke, Sobat Muhik, jadi tadi Abel tanya ke aku, apa ada sih negara yang pengen banget aku kunjungin? Dan sebenarnya banyak banget negara atau tempat yang pengen aku kunjungin, tapi the most country that I dream it of is Arab Saudi, karena di sana aku bisa melakukan ibadah umrohku atau hajiku dan aku bisa melihat keindahan Arab Saudi secara langsung, dan mungkin aku bisa ke sana bareng teman-teman aku juga ya. Dan untuk Abel, tadi Abel bilang kalau Abel pengen ke Netherlands untuk melihat keindahan bunga tulip di sana dan mencoba makanan tradisional Netherlands. Untuk Tania, tadi Tania bilang kalau Tania pengen ke UK untuk melanjutkan pendidikannya di sana. Dan semoga itu terwujud ya Tania.
Amin.
Rumai aku denger nih dari tadi nih, pronunciation kau tuh bagus banget.
Thank you.
Aku jadi penasaran gimana sih cara kamu belajar bahasa Inggris?
I study at school as usual, but when I was 7 until 10 years old, I took lessons somewhere and have not continued my lessons until now. I just learned it from movies, songs, and short contents on social media. Just it. And how about you, Abel?
I found there are many ways to learning English, like watching movies, listening to music, atau even belajar dari rumah. Even I have a big textbook tau yang learning English.
That's cool.
Yang helps me learning English. Ngomongin tentang English, kan di sekolah kita nih ada nih bilingual program. I found out tau I'm such a big fan of the bilingual program that exists. Cause through the English bilingual program, I've gained confidence in writing, speaking, and reading of the international language. I'm curious about your opinion tentang bilingual program di sekolah kita, Rumai.
In my opinion, bilingual program is such a good program for students because with this program, students can learn more detail about English and of course with fun learning methods. And I'm so curious about Tania's opinion about bilingual program.
In bilingual program, student can improve English skills and banyak banget kegiatan-kegiatan di bilingual program seperti English adventure dan juga English kita ngobrol-ngobrol sama native speaker.
Iya sih.
Jadi guys, we figuring out that English bilingual program was that fun methods loud to we learning English. Dan kita tuh benar-benar seru gak sih dengan bilingual program yang ada?
Iya banget.
Kita bisa ngomong dengan native speaker, terus ada event yang seru juga. Today is so fun ya, we can share our most memorable moments until our opinion about bilingual program.
And I'm very thank you to Abel and Tania because for inviting me to this podcast. And I'm sorry for the mistakes and words or attitude ya.
Thank you, Rumai.
Thank you, Rumai.
Yes, you're welcome.
So, thank you for watching our first English podcast. See you next podcast. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.